Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Elaine Rau and I do product reviews. Today we're reviewing this store, Emmiol. I have literally like 10 sets of clothes from them and more on the ground actually over there. And we're just gonna be doing like a product try on. 10 different articles of clothing from this particular store. So let's get to the first one. What is going on here? So many pieces. All right, so this is a long dress. You can see that there's a tie in the middle, and where's the sleeves? Okay, here are the sleeves. So it's like a halter. I'm assuming this is in the front, and then you tie it, and then the sleeves are off the shoulders and stretchy, so super convenient. Open back. This goes down in the center. This will go down the center of your torso. It's a long dress all the way down, and it's a beautiful purple color, if you can see. There's no slits or anything. It's made out of cotton. Super, super stretchy. I like that. I like to wear super stretchy cotton. Let's just go ahead and try this on. All right, so I ordered a small, and I had to actually put on a strapless bra for this because if you have the straps and you have just too much going on, right off the bat is the bottom of my bra comes out. So I don't know if I have to like pull it down a little bit. I mean, it's quite tight. Normally I wear smalls, but I feel like everywhere else it fits nice, except for here is just a little bit too short. And you can see on the back, yeah, in the back, there is still like a little bit peeking out. So if this was just like a little bit longer, it would be so cute. I like the sleeves though, that you can actually put it on over like that. Put this over here like that in the back. And then this is what it looks like in the front. And then as I said, if you put the sleeves down, it could have like almost like a different look. I almost like the flat look for it. And then what if we tuck this in here and then maybe tie it here, but it's still like a little bit too short there. So anyways, this is the full dress. You can see it hugs really, really tightly. I like the back. As I said, if this were just a little bit longer, it would be perfect. All right, so next we have this jumpsuit. Comes in 2 pieces. Love this super velvety, fuzzy feel you can see. And it's like super stretchy as well. So the waistband, nice. Comes with a tie in the front, extra detail. I like that. It gets sucked in there. It's easier to like poke back out. Bling bling detail, no pockets. And then on the top, pockets on the top, so that's nice. And they're large too. Or, well, they're like regular. You fit a phone in there, so that's good. And then it's just fuzzy all around. So let me go ahead and try it on. Ooh, love this. So inside, I don't know if you can see, if this is velvety, this is like super soft inside. So this feels really, really good on. This one doesn't feel as good, but on the inside, it's not scratchy at all. I love the color so much. Definitely fits really, really well. It's a little bit high water, but it's because I have it like all the way up here. I like that the pants are nice and snug, but then the top, there's a little bit loose. Yeah, this is something that I would definitely wear like on a day out or like around town. This is definitely my type of outfit. So I like this one. All right, next we have this cute little dress. Everything I got is basically like a size S. So I'm 5'4", basically like bust 34 by 27 by 37 approximately. So my waist is like bigger than my bust. In the general measurements that I got these items, some are small, some I got large. It just depended on the measurements because every single item actually is different. This is super, super cute, very whimsical. The little poofy sleeves over here, a little bit of a V. Oh yeah, actually that's quite a big deep V. But I like this little detail over here, a sheer layer, and then of course the inner layer as well. Oh, there's a tie on the sides, ruffle on the bottom too. So yeah, this is gonna be like a really cute, when I see this, I see like Instagram spot, you wear this dress to an Instagrammable spot. So let me go ahead and try it on. The V is actually really, really deep. So you might wanna wear like a different bra with it. Plunge bra would actually work better. The sleeves are super, super cute and it fits really, really great up top. I wish that it was just a little bit higher so it's not so plungy. And here's the little ties. So that's the back over here, nice and floofy, lots of fabric to play with, mid-calf a little bit. I like the little V in the back. I wonder what it would look like if I wore something inside. Oh yeah, that's way cuter in my opinion. So just like a little something inside to like give it a little bit more, you know, coverage, but like, you know, I would say something maybe a little bit V, or maybe even something similar, like some kind of white interior, be a good match for it. I like it. It's not my favorite dress, but it's cute. If I were to like really like a dress, it's like if I just put it on and like that's it, instead of adding different layers. But once again, once you add a little bit of a layer, this is nice. Next we have this. Ooh, super fuzzy. Oh my gosh, it just keeps coming. So many. Oh, it's double layered. Okay, I think it's reversible. Inside, it's like this cute teddy bear light brown. Outside, it's a cute dark teddy bear brown. It's super large, so it's like oversized, and it's just basically fur all the way inside and out. I wonder if there's pockets. No pockets, just reversible. You know what? I wonder if I put it on over this. Yeah, it's definitely super warm. It's like oversized, as I said, so like, I mean, it's like off the shoulders. Add a lot of bulk. There are pockets on both sides. Yay! And inside, it's like mesh like that. Oh yeah, nice. So one side of the pocket is fur, and then the other side is like this thing. So put your hand in, it's furry, so it keeps you warm. So that's a nice touch. Oh yes, this is an instant favorite. I mean, I can feel the fur like bounce as I like press on it. Yeah, definitely goes both ways. Which one do you like better? Do you like the lighter on the inside or darker on the inside? I'm not sure which one. I think depending on the outfit. So super versatile, love it. Next we have this amazing jumpsuit, another jumpsuit. So you can see the beautiful butterflies on the side. These are the pants. Drawstring top, once again, has the, you know, the protecting element. The butterfly all the way down, and then it's cuffed at the end. It's like a little bit see-through. I don't know if you can see. Just in the light though. One butterfly on the other side. So no butterflies on the front, but a big butterfly on the back. And then the sleeves. So yeah, let me go ahead and try it on. Ooh, this outfit is super cute. So let me just talk about the top first. So let me zip it up. All right, so because, as I said, the fabric is really thin, you can actually see through the dark. If you're wearing a dark color underneath, you're actually gonna see that shining, like coming through. Maybe like wear white if you don't want that to happen, and or you can also maybe just cut these flaps off so that it's not as stark, because if you just like see that or like that, totally up to you. Nice pockets over here on the side, you can see. Nice little butterfly on the back. Ooh, I like that on the side over there. I wonder, ooh, I like this one even better. Yeah, so many, I like the little detail over here. Yeah, that's a nice jumpsuit. It is a little bit tight right here. As I said, simply because, as I said, my hips are a little bit larger than up here. So you might want to go a size larger if you want a little bit more of a loose feel. That's completely up to you. Yeah, I think I would probably, for a more relaxed look, probably go a size up. Yeah, so I mean, for like a looser, more relaxed look, you can probably, you know, go a size up. This is a size small, so it just really depends on how you know, want it, but everything fits really well. All right, next, we got this. Oh yes, it's a very sexy dress. I would say it's like a cover up that you can use like at the beach or something, but you can also use it as a dress. This is the top. It's like one off the shoulder, and then there's a huge hole on the side, which is why I'm saying it's like a cover up. This is completely split. It's, yeah. This, okay, and then it's just combined by this. I would probably put it in like a bag or something, you know, one of those like laundry bags, so that this chain doesn't get caught on anything as you wash it. You can take it out. So when you wash it, yeah, I would just take this thing out. All right, let me go ahead and try it on. All right, so this dress took me ages to put on. Like the chain fell off, like I'm holding it in place because I have no idea if I'm doing it right. It definitely is not right. The hook is like here. I mean, from this side, from this angle, it looks really great, right? But then from this angle, I mean, there's like a whole, I mean, I have zero idea what is supposed to happen. We are moving on to the next one because I've been trying to figure out this chain thing. I kid you not, I was like in the other room, probably half an hour trying to figure out this chain. My arm's sore, like, so I'm usually pretty good at figuring this kind of stuff out too. We're moving on to the next one. All right, let's see what we have here. Ooh, another dress. It's a knit. Super stretchy, cute. Okay, this is easy to figure out. You just gotta put it on, right? A little strap here, little cutout piece on this side, and then it goes all the way down. I wonder if there's a slit. Doesn't look like it. Let's go ahead and try this on. All right, this dress is super cute. It fits nice and not too tight, but not too loose either because it's like nice and stretchy. Feels really nice. So that's where the hole is. Oh, I almost wish that the hole was covered up. I mean, other than that, I like the color. I love the length. Oh, I love everything about it, except for this hole right here. Wear something inside if you want. Dress is, minus the hole, is a 10 out of 10. From this angle, it looks great. But yeah, I mean, obviously it does add a different dimension to it. Next, we have, ooh, another dress. Okay, so we have black on the top and then a little hole in the middle, and then a white on the bottom and a little slit. Okay, also a little bit abstract as well, so let's go ahead and try it on, see what it looks like. All right, okay, so it's a lot tighter than I had anticipated, but it feels good. Like it fits everywhere it fits. I like this top, it's, you know, covered, but like a little bit of peekaboo, and it's long enough, just barely long enough for nothing to fall out. This little white detail's cute. I didn't expect how short this slit would be, or I didn't realize it would be like this. It is really, really cute. Probably in the running for the favorite so far. I don't know why, I almost wish this was just like closed and it was just like wrapped, like tight, like, you know, instead of like having it loose in the back like that. Even like as a shirt would be really cute, just end right there. But yeah, I mean, I do like the little peekaboo. I'm just more conservative these days than I was before. Probably go like a size up, just because when you go like a size up than your regular size, like normally I would order like a small on and everything, right? But like, you know, stuff like this, you know, where if it's just a little bit longer, like a little bit wider, you know, maybe this would be concealed within the fabric and I wouldn't have to be constantly pulling it down. So just the FYI on the sizing chart. Next. Love this color of this dress. Oh, here we go. Ooh, that's really nice. Okay, so same thing, has like a little hole with a little drawstring tie. Front is where all the magic happens. So yeah, let me just go ahead and try this one on. This one looks, I think this is might be my favorite. Love the fabric. It's super, super soft. You can see the drawstring goes all the way down. I like that there's like a ruching, so, you know, to conceal the belly. Oh, that is so nice. It's almost like a little bit loose over here, but this part, fits like a glove. Super nice. Yeah, it goes down to like mid calf. Yeah, this little detail in the front. Really liking what's going on over here. This color is like giving me some really good vibes here. So yeah, definitely super cute, form-fitting. Play around with like the different styles. You know what works best for you. That's super cool that you can play around with the ruching. And of course this you can play around too. And here is the final item. I believe it's another tracksuit. Yay, it is! Same type of inner fabric as the other one. It's super, super soft inside. The velvet is super nice as well. Thin, so it's really breathable. So you can definitely wear it in spring. Less so maybe like winter, maybe more like fall and spring kind of weather. Okay, so these are just cut off like that. So I would probably give it a little tie right quick. I wish I knew how to tie like really cute ties. You know, like sometimes people can, you know, but that's what they're gonna be for right now. It's a crop. So you can see that there's like a little bit of a scrunch right there. So semi crop. I feel like it'll probably hit me at the belly actually. The back's just all velvet. Here is the bottom. Nice stretchy bottoms. Let's see. Okay, same over here. So you're gonna have to tie those. Yeah, make sure to do this like first thing, otherwise it will be like a hassle. Let's see if it has pockets. Yes, it does. Both sides, yay. Velvet pockets, cuffed on the bottom as well. So yeah, let me go ahead and try this on. All right, so this is the crop top. So it basically is like smack right where you want it to be hit as for a crop top. Got the pockets. Oh, super nice and comfortable. The only thing is the ankle part. I do have thicker ankles, so it does feel like tighter, but also I kind of like not to be restrained, you know, or like restricted, you know, or feeling like that. So it is a little bit tight right here. Waist, however, is perfect. Yeah, yeah, this is a super, super comfortable, really nice. And then you can like even pull it up if you wanted to, you know what I mean? Get creative with it. Oh, the hood is tight too. So out of all these 10 outfits, I want to know in the comments which one is your favorite, which one would you purchase. If you want to purchase them, actually, you can check out the links below. And if you do like unboxings, unhaulings, try-ons, different stuff like that, continue watching, and I'll see you in the next video. All right, bye.